Hey everyone, this is Ellie from Elfsight. Let's build your button widget and install it on your website with no coding in less than 2 minutes. Let's jump in and see how it works. Go to elfsight.com and open the Widgets menu. Find Button, then click Create Widget to open the live editor. From here, you can start building your widget right away. Choose a template to define the basic look of your button. Now let's explore the editor and see what you can customize. In the Button tab, choose the action your button will perform. For example, call us, open URL, or send email. Set the button label and add additional info as short text above the button if needed. Next, go to Design to choose the button color, style, and size, and then customize the details in the Advanced Design section. Finally, in the Position tab, select how the widget will be placed on the page, as an embedded or floating button. Once everything looks the way you want, click Add to Website to continue. Sign up or log into your account. Click Publish. Then choose the free plan to continue. You'll see a pop-up with your installation code. Click Copy Code. Now you can install the widget on your website. If you need more detailed instructions, you can check out our tutorials, where you'll find step-by-step guides on embedding widgets into specific platforms, pages, and templates. Your widget can also be shared via a direct link. If you'd prefer not to set it up yourself, simply ask for a free installation from our support team. We'll take care of all the technical steps and make sure your widget is up and running. Now let's see how to add the widget to a specific page of your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Pages section. Find the page where you want to display the widget and press Edit. Next, in the editor, choose where you'd like the widget to appear. Click Add Block and select Custom HTML. Paste your installation code into the HTML block and save the changes. And that's it. Your widget is ready for visitors, all set in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, support Elfsight, like, subscribe, and ask us anything in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.